Hello guys, welcome back to my next YouTube tutorial. This is the third exercise in WebTech. This is about a page which has a header, which is in the center, then a navigation bar with over options, which is we use CSS to do that. Then there's a big banner image with a paragraph on top of it, actually two paragraphs. Then down I have three thumbnails. So let's see how we did this. First, I did my HTML coding. I've given the paragraph. I've used the strong tag to make it bold. Before the paragraph, I've given the navigation bar. In that, I've just given. I haven't linked it. It's just there. So even if you click it, nothing will happen. Below, I've given three items: item 1, item 2, item 3. That's the ID. I'm also given a class name for it, thumbnail. That's the same class name, so I can just define the CSS code for class thumbnail, and all three items would have the same same design, so it makes work easier. You could reuse code like that. Here I have block, students, and classroom. That's what you can see here: block, students, classroom. Now coming to the CSS code, what I've done is for item 1, item 2, and item 3. For item 1, I've given the image URL. 2 and 3, I've done the same thing. I set the background size as cover, and what I've done is I used a thumbnail tag to give it a height. I said display inline block, so this is displayed in the same line as a block element. Then this is the important thing: I've given width 33 because I have three images. I have to split the whole page. The whole page is 100%. If I split it, it will be 33.333 something percentage. I've given a little less than that. That's why you could see there's a small gap in between the images. So 33 percentage, and then position is relative, which means after this image would come, and after that this image would come. Now for whatever's inside the thumbnail paragraph, thumbnail P, what I've done is I've set a background color 000. The last is the opacity 0.7. That's why you can see there's a slight gray color here over this. Then the text is aligned to center. Position is absolute, which means it does not move, it's always fixed. And I've given bottom 0 pixels, which means always these three things would end up at the bottom of the page from a height of 0 pixels, which is right at the end. The width is 100%, which means it occupies the whole block, and I've given a small amount of padding, 10px. The padding is the space around the text. So that's that. Now for my banner image, I just given an image URL, and I say size contain, which means background size contain, which means it just occupies the full page. It tries to contain the whole area. That's why you can see the image first time it shows up here, and then the remaining is filled by a part of the image. This is what happens when you do use contain. Then for whatever is inside the paragraph of banner, what I've done is, again for color I given 000, and in the grading I've given 0.6, which means there's a slight opacity here. You can see here around the paragraph there's a small grayish thing. Now I've given a line height. Then in over I've given two colors, which means when I over the menu, the colors change. It changes to text color red and background color royal blue. So you can see here, while menu list items, while I over, the background color is changes to royal blue, and the font color or just color changes to red. And for the list item, it's just sky blue and dark blue. If you do not over it, sky blue and dark blue. So I guess that's it, guys. So this is my third experiment. Thanks for watching.